Hi guys, hi! Welcome to my vlog! Today I'm taking my kiddo to a science fair and I decided to vlog it out. This was recommended by my sister-in-law and yeah, she was like, let's go, the kids are gonna enjoy it, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be a great day. So I'm already looking tired, but let's get it done. Okay.
Alright, good job. That's it?
Short, Nana.
That's fine. There's no right
Okay.
and wrong in this.
Okay, all the way down. All the way down.
It's the joy is it's chaos.
It's amazing. My little girl's just gone up to the food science shop. She's the one I normally bring to these things.
Oh, really?
She's an aspiring scientist.
Okay.
Tell me, are you primarily a
Okay, sure. Let me write it down. Then look, it's turning into crazy hair.
Look at that. Oh, Jake's great. That's pretty cool. That's because I've taught him for 2 years.
Yeah.
Whoa! Sejin, I think just one is enough, isn't it? Two? Oh no!
There you go.
Oh, you got it! But it's okay, good job. Oh, attending a science fair, and this is the first time I'm actually attending a science fair, and they've got such cool stuff. Look, look, look! Wow, kids really worked hard on this. What's this? That's a human brain. Nana, this is the brain. What is this one? That's an eye, okay. What is this one? Oh, this is the sound and hearing. And then they've got all sorts of things.
You can take one fragment and you can drop it whichever.
Which one?
Okay, let's see then.
You need to wet a little bit so it dissolves.
It's gonna dissolve. You can see what happens. Oh, look, 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 look. It's moving from lava. It's like a volcano. So
You can put another one in that one if you want.
put that on the other one.
Do you want to have a go at the last one then?
And then wait for it to dissolve. Yeah, look, 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 look. Nana, you're missing it. Look. It's so cool, right? Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
Finished it, finally. Once you got all the sticks the right way.
You think we can try now? Can you try make us a 20 degrees?
Yay! We're making fidget spinners. Guys, it's been an entire day and there's so many activities to do. Such fun, such fun. It's a little bit different now, okay? Then now shake it. Shake it. Shake. This is gonna change color. Shake, shake, keep shaking. Shake, 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 shake. This way. This way, up and down like this is better.
Take a video. Shake it again. It's a video. Shake it a lot. Shake it a lot. It's not shaking yet.
Okay. Now look at, let's see. Wow. It changed color completely. There's nothing, Nana. Alright, so look at what we made. Nana, what do we call this? You don't know? It has no name, but it was fun to make. Oh, you're gonna put a name on it later? Nana, show mommy's camera this one. Take this the picture. Oh, we made blood. That was so interesting. Nana, this one in mommy's hand. Alright, what else do you want to do? Are we done? Not yet? Downstairs we did almost everything. What else do you want to do? Guys, it's such an awesome thing. You know, if you can put this together for kids to experiment, I think it only helps kids discover the things that they enjoy to do, like building, you know, coloring, whatever it is. It can help kids discover that, oh, this is exactly what I want to do maybe in the future, or build hobbies and interests. So it was great coming here. I'm glad that I made it. And I'm glad that my son is really enjoying it. Meal request for the day, little burger. Take out the cheese. Roll the cheese. What is it? Yeah. Okay. Don't step on me, you're hurting me. Step on me. Make sure it doesn't get on the, wait, let me do this.
What did you say? On the table?
Mm-hmm.
There's the only thing on the table.
Cool.